Hey, what's going on guys, you're watching FBHD Tech, and in today's video we will take a look at one of the best noise cancelling headphones, and of course I'm talking about the WH-1000XM3s from Sony. We will take a look at all of its features and give an example of how the noise cancelling works. So without further ado, let's get started. In the simple looking box you will get a nice looking headphone case and some paperwork that we're going to skip for now. Inside the case you will find the headphones tightly packed to ensure a small form factor of the case, a charging cable USB-A to USB-C, an audio cable in case your headphones run out of battery, and finally an airplane adapter. The build quality of the headphones is really good and they're comfortable to wear for even longer periods of time. The headphones are flexible and fold up to a pretty small form factor, which is great for traveling. Let's now talk about the features of the headphones. The headphones have two physical buttons, one power button and one noise cancelling / ambient sound button. The power button is used to turn the headphones on and off, and long pressing the button will make the headphones go into pairing mode. The noise cancelling button is used to switch between the three noise cancelling modes, and long pressing the button will start the noise cancelling optimization process. There are also touch controls on the right ear cup that are used to control the music. Swiping forward will skip a track, swiping backwards will go to the previous track, swiping up and down will adjust the volume, and finally double tapping the ear cup will pause or continue the current track. In the beginning I found the touch controls strange, but after some time I got used to them. The touch controls also serve other functions like accepting and ending a call by double tapping the ear cup, and also accessing the Google Assistant or Alexa by long pressing the ear cup. Another great feature is quick attention that is activated by holding your palm against the side of the right ear cup. This will lower the volume of your music and use the onboard microphones to amplify the sounds around you. This is really useful if someone wants to ask you a quick question or if you want to hear an announcement without taking your headphones off. Let's now talk about the sound quality and noise cancelling. In my personal opinion, the headphones are clear and rich in sound. They have a good bass and the equalizer in the app allows you to tweak the frequency response to your liking. The noise cancelling is really something out of this world. With passive noise cancelling they do a pretty good job, but when you turn on active noise cancelling it's a completely different experience. Here is a small example of the difference between the passive and the active noise cancelling recorded directly from within the ear cup of the headphones.
Noise cancelling.
From the recording you can hear that there's a clear difference between the passive and the active noise cancelling of the headphones. Another important aspect is battery life. The battery life of the headphones is 30 hours, so you won't be charging the headphones that often. I like it that they included a USB Type-C port, because that means I can use the same power adapter that I use for my phone to charge up the headphones. In my opinion, having a universal power adapter for everything is the way to go. Pairing your phone to the headphones can be done pretty quickly because of the NFC chip in the left ear cup. Touching your phone to the left ear cup will immediately pair your phone with the headphones. The connection is established via Bluetooth, and one of the disadvantages is that it can only be connected to one device at a time. This means that every time you switch from one device to another, you need to disconnect from the previous and connect to the new device, so it's not possible to get sound from two devices simultaneously. Another disadvantage is that if you take off the headphones, the music will not stop playing like with some other headphones. This is a nice feature that I really like, so I'm a little bit disappointed that it's not included, but it's not a big deal breaker. Installing the Sony Headphones Connect app on your smartphone will allow you to customize the headphones and change its settings. Ambient sound control level can be adjusted from within the app, and adaptive sound control can also be turned on. With adaptive sound control turned on, the app will detect your actions and adjust the noise cancelling levels. For example, if you're running, the outside noise will be amplified so that you're more aware of your surroundings, and if you're sitting at home, the app will detect that and turn on the noise cancelling. A great feature is the noise cancelling optimizer that will adjust the noise cancelling for the current atmospheric pressure, and your physical properties like head shape if you're wearing glasses, etc. This ensures that the noise cancelling is performing the best it can for the given conditions. Other settings that can be adjusted in the app include sound position control, equalizer, and remapping the NC/ambient button to access Google Assistant or Alexa. All in all, I really enjoy using these headphones, and in my opinion they're worth every penny. The sound quality is great, they're comfortable to wear, the build quality is good, and the noise cancelling is one of the best out there. If you're considering buying these headphones, there's a link in the video description where you can do that. Using that link supports my channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button, comment in the comment section below, subscribe to my channel to join our awesome tech community, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload future videos.